We are going to see about joint probability mass function, a discrete random value x. We define the PMF as Px equal Px equal to x, Px equal Px equal to x. Now if we have two random values x and y, and we would like to study them jointly, we define the joint probability mass function as follows. The joint probability mass function of two discrete random values x and y is defined as pxy px px comma y equal to px equal to x, y equal to y dot bxy equal to bx comma y equal to bx equal to x comma y equal to y. Note that as usual, the comma means, and so we can write pxy bracket x comma y equal to px equal to x, y equal to y equal px equal to x and y equal to y dot pxy x comma y equal to px x, y equal to y equal pxx and y equal to y. We can define the joint range for x and y as rxy equal to x comma y pxy x comma y greater than 0, or x equal y equal to x comma y pxy x comma y equal to greater than 0. In particular, if rx equal to x1 x2 x3 etc, rx equal to x1 x2 x3 etc, and ry equal to y1 y2 y3 etc, can always write rx y rx multiplication ry equal to xi and sj, xi rx and yj equal to ry, rx y rx equal into ry, xi comma yj xi rx yj rx. In fact, sometimes we define rx equal to rx into ry, rxy equal rx into ry to simply the analysis. In case for some pairs xi comma yj xi comma yj in rx cross ry rx cross ry comma rx pxy xi and yj pxy xi and yj might be 0. For two discrete random values x's and y we have x sigma xi comma yj rxy pxy xi comma yj equal 1 sigma xi comma yj pxy rxy xi comma yj equal 1. We can use joint PMF to find pxy a and pxy a may be for any set a r2 and a r3. Specifically, we have pxy equal to sigma xi comma yj a integration rxy pxy. Note the event x equal to small x and x equal to x can be written as xj xi and yj xi equal to x comma yj or y. Also, the event y equal to y can be written as xi and yj xi or xyj equal to y. Pxy x comma y equal to px equal to x, y equal to y, px equal to x integration y equal to y, p dot pxy px comma y equal to px equal to x, y equal to y equal to px equal to x, y integration y equal to y. Then the joint PMF contains all the information regarding the distribution of xx and yy. This means that for example, we can option PMF of xx from the joint PMF with yy in needed. We can write px equal to x sigma yj or yp x equal to x, y equal to yj, and sigma yj or ypxy equal to x comma yj. Law of total probability px equal to x and yj equal to p y px equal to x, y equal to yj. Law of total probability equal to sigma yj or y px y x comma yj. Here we call pxx is the marginal PMF of x's. Similar, we can find the marginal PMF of yy. Py y equal to sigma xi pxy comma xi comma y py equal to sigma xi rx pxy xi comma y. Marginal PMF of x's and yy. Py equals sigma yj or y pxy x comma yj for any x or x equal to xi pxy xi comma y. For any y or y equal to 5.1 px equal to yj or y pxy x comma yj. For any x or x py y equal to exi pxy any y equal to or y. Let's practice this concept by looking on example. Consider the two randomly say a variables x and y with the joint PMF given table 5.1. Table 5.1 joint PMF of x's and y in example 5.1. Y equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 2, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Figure 5.1 shows pxy x comma y pxy x comma y joint pm of x axis and y axis 0 1 2 3 1 0 1 2 3. Let's put the 0 of x and y 1 6 1 6 and y equal to 1, x equal to 0 equal to 1 4 1 4 and y equal to 2, x equal to 3 is 1 8 1 8 and x equal to 1, y equal to 0 is 1 8 1 8 and x equal to 1, y equal to 1 equal to 1 6 1 6 and x equal to 1, y equal to 1 6 1 6.